doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli, and today I'm gonna share with you a very fun and easy way of how to make cakes on the microwave. This is very easy and all the ingredients you probably already have them at home, and this is a very fun way to spend your time now that we are all staying in home. I hope you are doing very well with everything that has been going on so far. I hope you are staying safe. So I just want to spread some positivity and give you some ideas of things you can do at home very easily. So yeah, I'm going to show you 3 different flavors of these cakes that you can do at home in less than 5 minutes. So if you want to learn how to make them, just keep watching the video. The first cake we are going to make is the chocolate one. And to make it, we simply take our cup and add a 1/4 cup of flour, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, and a dash of vanilla essence. We mix it very well until all the ingredients are incorporated, and we microwave it for about 2 minutes, and we will know it is ready when we insert a fork in the center and it comes out clean. Our second cake is cinnamon roll, and we will make it by taking our cup and adding a 1/4 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. In this case, I didn't have brown sugar, so I added 4 tablespoons of regular sugar instead. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, a 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 1 egg. We mix it very well until all the ingredients are incorporated, and then we add a 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon and we mix it lightly to create a marble effect. We microwave it for about 2 minutes, and as I said before, when the fork comes out clean, it means it's ready. The last cake will be cookie dough flavor, and to make it, we take our cup and we add 1/3 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 1 egg. We mix it well until all the ingredients are incorporated. My mixture was a little thick, so I added a tablespoon of milk and then 3 to 4 tablespoons of chocolate chips. We mix it very well and microwave it for about 2 minutes, and it will be ready when the fork comes out clean. Once they're ready, we can eat them like this or add some decoration or topping. In this case, I added a little vanilla ice cream on the chocolate cake, a little Nutella on the cookie dough, and cream cheese frosting on the cinnamon roll cake. And let me tell you, they were absolutely delicious. I hope you make these easy recipes, and don't forget to tell me in the comments below which one was your favorite. And that's how easily we can make these delicious cakes on a mug in the microwave. I really hope you liked this idea, and if you did, please like this video, subscribe down below, and share it with your loved ones so we can spread some positivity and some fun things to do while we are all at home. I hope that you are staying safe and staying home. As always, you know that it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!